Welcome back to Kixie in a Minute. Let's integrate Kixie with your HubSpot account. This step connects your call recordings, notes, and dispositions natively back to your CRM automatically. No manual logging, no jumping through tabs. We'll show you exactly how to connect, what gets synced, and how Kixie keeps everything tied to the right contact using just a phone number. Now have your dialer ready, and let's get started. Now that you've sent it to your dialer, we're going to go ahead and integrate it with HubSpot. On the top right-hand corner, you're going to hit the drop-down menu, go to Settings, and scroll all the way down to CRM. We're going to hit the little plus sign, type in HubSpot, click on it, hit Add on the bottom left, and then you're going to sign in with your HubSpot username and password, and you're all set up. Thanks for watching. Questions, troubleshooting, or something's not working right? Reach out to our live chat support or connect with your rep and we'll get you sorted. Thanks.